Guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to find the greatest common factor. Now first, let's say if we have 15 and 35, we need to find the greatest common factor. Now first step, we need prime factorization to 15. Prime factorization is 5 times 3 and 35 is 7 or 5 times 7. Now 15 and 35, we have 5 and 5 is a common prime factorization. So the GCF is equal 5. So another example, let's say if we have 21 times 28, or we need the GCF to 21 and 28. Now 21 is 7 times 3 and 28 is 7 times 4. So 7 is a common number, so the GCF is 7. So the GCF is equal 7. Now another example, let's say if you have 22 and 55. Prime factorization to 22 is 11 times 2, and prime factorization is to 55 is 11 times 5. So we have 11 is a common number or common prime factorization. So the GCF is 11. Now another example, let's say if you have 12 and 16. 12 is 4 times 3 and 4 is 2 times 2 and here you have 3. 16 is 4 times 4 and 16 here 4 times 4, 4 is 2 times 2 and this 4 is 2 also 2 times 2. So we have two toes common. So the answer is the GCF is 2 times 2, so the GCF is 4. Now another example, let's say if you have 15 and 18. 15 is 5 times 3 and 18 is 6 times 3. So we have 3 is a common number between 15 and 18, so the GCF is 3. Now another example, let's say if you have 6x and 9x squared. So 6x is 3 times 2 times x, and 9x squared is 3 times 3 times x times x. So we have 3 and 3 is the common, and x and x. So the GCF is 3x. Now another example, let's say if you have 11xy and 15x square y cube. So first, prime factorization to 12xy is 4 times 3 times x times y, and 4 is 2 times 2 times 3 times x times y. 15 is 15x square y cube is 5 times 3 times x times x times y times y times y. So the GCF, we have 3 is the common, and x and y, 1x and 1y. So the GCF is 3xy. So this is the final answer.